Do you want to make $10,000 in a month? I'm talking about the real strategy that people are using to make this money. I'm not talking about the a get rich quick way of making money. No. What I'm talking about is the real strategy, the real structure that you can follow to hit that number in a month. Now, let's break it down step by step on how to make this money. I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can strategically earn $10,000 in a month on YouTube. Even if you are starting at zero, and at the end, I'm going to show you which of this way that I would choose if I am to start all over again. The first one is selling your skill. I don't know the type of skill you have. You might be a teacher. You can start and use it to grow people, tutor people. You can use your skill, video editing, um, graphic design, writing, coding, and any special skill that you have. You can use it to, tutor people on YouTube, and you can use it to tutor people online, and you can from there and earn money. There are a lot of a lot of skills that you can even learn from YouTube, that you can go to other freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and even LinkedIn, and use that skill that you learn from YouTube. You use it and go there and find a job. Now you're not only teaching, you're not only teaching people on YouTube. You are also using it to go and work for people on YouTube, from YouTube, from the skills you learn from this YouTube, you can also use it to go and work elsewhere, and you earn your $10,000 at the end of every month. Now, let's say you offer a service of $500, and you were able to work for 10 people, or you were able to work for 20 clients. If you work for 20 clients, do you know that you're going to make this $10,000 in a month? Do you see? You just need a strategy on how to perform all these tasks, and you make your money. Now, the second one is you can create a digital product through the skills you learn on YouTube. You can, or also through the information you pass out on YouTube, you can create a digital product. You can write ebook. You can also, create a notation template. You can also write a mini course. By so doing, on you post it on Gumroad, or you use your website to market your product, and a lot of people will buy, and you make your money. Now, let's say one of your digital product is $50, and you were able to sell 20 copies of that product. That is $10,000, and also you have made your money already. You can sell this product in one day and make that kind of money. Then calculate it in 1 month and see how much you are going to come out after that day. This product, you will be asking, how will I sell it? You can just promote it through short form content on every other social media. And this is just a way, or is a best way to create a passive income for yourself, and you make your money. Now, the third one is YouTube plus affiliate marketing. Make your content once, and you will keep, being paid. It will keep selling, because the more views that content gets forever, the more payments you get forever. on YouTube. Now, when I said YouTube plus affiliate marketing, when you make a video the way I'm making and you have your affiliate link, when you post it on that your affiliate link, if anybody buy that your product, or if anybody buy that your product that you paste the link, let's say it's a 20,000 it's a $20 product and you were able to sell it for 200 people, or it's a $50 product and you were able to sell it to 550 people, do you know how much that you're going to make in a month? Do you see? This is a way that you can create a passive income and make this amount of money on YouTube. Now, the fourth one is flipping or reselling. Go to any store, any thrift store, go to our YouTube marketplace, find an underpriced stuff, not stuff that are high. Look for underpriced stuff, and then flip it. All this underpriced stuff can be sneakers, it can be electronics, it can be any collectible. Then go and post it, create an Amazon profile, then or eBay profile, and then flip those products there. And when they buy, anyone that purchases the product, you are going to make a profit from that product. Do you see that making money, making $10,000 in a month is very easy and is very simple? Is actually something that you can actually create. It's actually something that you can do and make your money. If you have got any expertise and you have a skill in solving people's problems, companies, individuals, persons are ready to pay huge amount of money to solve a particular problem, a particular business problem. So you can, package it into premium offer, and then people will pay thousands of of dollars or in your currency to solve that particular problem. By so doing, you can make your money and live your life the way you want to live it. Here is the truth in making the $10,000 on YouTube. But it's not fantasy either. It's just you just need focus, consistency, solid plan, and good strategy to make this happen for you. If I have started earlier, I will combine freelancing and selling digital products. They are fast cash and also a long time skill. If you have watched up to this time, please hit the notification bell, subscribe, like this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.